Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to list out all your files which are stored inside the Google Drive, inside a folder, inside your Google Spreadsheets. So using Google App Script. So basically I'm listing out all the files which are stored inside a folder, its name, description, size, download URL and the actual link. If I click on this link, I will be redirected to the image file. You will see that this is the actual image which is stored here. Same is the case with this also. If I click this, you will see that. So I will be telling you that how to make this application using Google App Script. So this is a actual folder that I am targeting right now. This is an images folder. So these much of files are there inside it. So now, first of all, in order to make this application, first of all, you just need to go to Google Spreadsheet. Just type it on Google and the very first link which comes in, just click it here and just create a blank sheet here. So Google Sheet is known. So just click it and create a blank sheet here. So click on the blank button here and this is the spreadsheet, Google Spreadsheet. And now you need to click on the tools here and click on the script editor. So basically it will be redirecting you to the script editor page here. So if you click it, in this editor we will be writing our JavaScript code. So now in this we will be creating our custom function. So I will be naming this function as let's suppose list folder contents. So inside this method, guys, first of all we just need to provide the folder name. So let me just zoom in. Just create a new folder name variable, and inside this we will be providing the folder name, which folder name that we are targeting. So we are targeting the images folder name, so which is there. You can see that we are providing this images folder name here. After providing this, we just need to get the actual folder. So folders, I will be creating this variable, and now I will be using this class drive app, and there is a method which is there, get folders by name. We will be using this method and we will be providing our folder name variable here inside this function. So this will return the actual folder, and now we just need to get the folder by declaring a folder variable and folders dot next. We will be calling this method. This will get the actual folder to us, and now we just need to get the contents here inside the folder. So contents will be folder dot get contents. So get files. So this will return the actual files which are stored inside. You can see that currently it is empty. It will be returning the files which are stored inside this folder. These 4 files it will return. I can even log it. So logger.log, and inside this we can just pass the contents here. And after logging it, let me just store it also. So we will be creating a new sheet is equal to, and we will be using the spreadsheet class, spreadsheet app dot get active sheet. So this will get the active sheet which is open right now. So this will get this sheet here, and now inside this sheet we just need to load our data. First of all, we will be deleting all the data which is currently there by calling this method sheet.clear. So this will delete all the data which is currently there inside the sheet. After calling this method, we also need to append a new data by append row. Inside this we just need to provide the column names. First column name will be name of the file. The second column name will be the short little description. The third column name will be size, and the fourth column name will be the actual download URL, and the fifth will be the actual URL of the image. That's it. So these are the 5 columns which are there: name, description, size, download URL and the URL. And now after appending this row, we just need to create some variables here. First, for the actual file, name, description, size, download URL, the actual URL of the image. That's it. And also we just need to declare a row variable. So after declaring these variables, we will be having a simple while loop. So while contents dot has next. We will call this method, and inside this while loop we will be, so as long as it contains the image files, we just need to execute this loop. First of all, we will be getting the file by contents.next, and we can just also log this, so logger.log file, and now we can get the information name. We can get by file.getName. So there is a getName method which is here, which will get the actual name of the file. And similarly we can just get the description also, file.get description. So this is a method here, get description. We can also get the download URL like this, file.get download URL. Size we can also get, file.get size, and also we can just get the URL also, file.get URL. I think that all the things are there. This is name, description, size, download URL, and URL. After getting all these things, we just need to append this row, sheet.append row. We will again call this method, and inside this you will pass our data which was located inside name variable, size, description, description will come first, description, size, download URL, and the URL. That's it. Close the square brackets, and now the application is complete, guys. So now I can just execute this by running this run button here. You must save your project, so I will be giving a name to it of sheet. Click on OK, and now it will be again just press this button. So it will be asking for the permissions. So you need to, first of all, if you run for the first time, you need to grant the permissions. So I will select the account and click on advanced, and click on go to shade unsafe, and I will allow the permissions. You need to grant the permissions first of all if you run this. So you just need to select the function. So now if I select this, so it is running here, so just wait. So it takes some time. Now the function is completed. Now if I check this, you will see that all the 4 photographs have been listed out in the Google spreadsheet. This is a description, name, size, this is a download URL, and this is the actual URL. If I click it, I will be redirected to the actual image here. You will see that this is the first image, this is the second, this is the third image, and lastly there is a fourth image. So in this manner you can just automate this process by saving all your images, paths, size, description inside your Google spreadsheet using Google Apps Script that I have shown to you in this tutorial. Very simple. You need not have to interact with the API. You need to just write this code here, simple lines of code, in order to list all your files which are located inside a folder in Google spreadsheet. So thanks very much for watching this video.